Hello, I'm Korsten. I help businesses to grow faster and more profitable. During the Business Transformation Summit on the 31st of October in the Alex Factory in Lisbon, I will lead one of the acceleration workshops. The title of my workshop is Business Strategy and Growth Acceleration. In my workshop, I will focus on the key building blocks you need in your business strategy to accelerate your growth. As a key part of my workshop, I will introduce a new organization concept, the 7-star organization. Because it is my conviction that in this world of exponential change and hyper-competition, you need new answers for lasting success. It's simply no longer enough to have a sound business strategy, an attractive product and a flawless operation. What you really need is a new type of organization. An organization with an appealing purpose. An organization that demonstrates it understands what the true capital of its business is, its employees, its know-how and its customers. An organization that consistently over-delivers on its promise and, at the same time, is heavily focused on continuous professionalization, agile innovation and accelerated growth. To be able to do that, you need a hybrid organization model, and that is exactly what a 7-star organization is about. It is my aim to inspire you with an appealing vision for the future of organizations, and I want to equip you with the right knowledge and insights to build your own 7-star organization. Hope to see you in Lisbon so that we can kickstart you on your own 7-star journey. See you there.